Thanks for being with us today. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications. See you soon. Bye.
This is the last day at the van build. There's the pretty mountains up there. Van around over here. Lots of people's already left. And you can see some of the rigs that people live in. Kind of like a character thing there. This lady here, we did our little fireplace out of a propane tank. Her and her dog live in that car. This is just sun hasn't come up yet. Till that early. There's our rig. Hardly any wind today. So, I'm gonna walk across the street. Kind of hard to see anything. The sun's almost coming up there. But we're out on the road now, so I gave you some pictures of that. I don't know why it's so dark that way. There's still quite a few people, even way down there. A lot more up that way. There's the sun kind of bright. A few more people waking up.
So this is Cece's new van that they're building out for her. She's very, very excited, and it's beautiful. Gonna be beautiful.
I guess you could call this stuff Yep.
Want to introduce yourself?
There's one. Hi, I'm Wanderboom. John, you want to say hello and be on camera? I'm just John.
You're just John.
John the Master Cat.
Well, you guys are wonderful for helping Cece out. Yes, he is. And would you like to introduce him and yourself?
His name's Skipper. My name's Greg.
Hi, Greg.
And this thing is Skipper's Minnow.
Hi, Skipper's Minnow.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm Dakota. I've got a big red school bus. And I had Colleen and Alan helped me out with a safety issue. I had one of the carriers on the back of my bus, and I did not have a receiver for it that was a proper one. I was using one that you squeeze between a bumper on a Class A motorhome. It has 4 bolts, and it was very, very precarious. And besides the risk of losing my generator, I'd run the risk of killing somebody if it came off. So Alan was awesome. He welded it to the underside of the U-channel between the frame rails on my bus, and it's not coming off now. I'm 250 pounds, and I was walking around on it yesterday, so it's not going anywhere.
I'll edit that one out.
Yeah, I don't care. I lost 100 pounds since February. I don't care. I'm happy to be 250. Hi, Rocky. So I am eternally grateful that to have met them, and I am glad that they were here to do that for me.
He took care of a lot of safety issues this
He did.
trip.
I saw that on the video.
Yeah,
Look
yeah.
at you. Can I have this tail?
Alan and Brad installing the propane tank holder on the back of Cammie's rig.
Oh no.
Is it too tight? Good thing I didn't make it.
night at the van build and no fire or music down at center camp. So we decided to make our own and roast a few marshmallows.
There's the sun just now coming up. The mountains over there. This is the last day, the Saturday. Everybody's got to be out of here today. We're just about loaded up. That's our rig over there. Just kind of where we're at. This is the last morning here. Like I say, there's not many people left. Couple people over there. That's they live. Mom and Grandma, or Mom and Mom live in the tent, and the son lives in the little tent. They got that little trailer, and that's their life. And they got a caravan, Dodge Caravan. There's the sun. There's our rig with the new signs on it. There's a gal over there. She lives in that little bitty car. Got like a 3-wheel bike, and their dog there pulls her along the main road out here pretty good. There's another rig there. But yeah, it's getting cleared out. Like I said, today's the last day, and then they start ticketing you being here on BLM too long. So like I say, we're just about cleaned up. I got a few more things to load up, and then we'll be out here this morning. So this is the tail end of the 2019 Van Fest. It's been a good time. We probably did 50 welding jobs or so, maybe a little bit less. There's our rig. Like I say, we're just about loaded up. There's our flagpole up there. There's the flag. Not too windy today, but it's the end. Time getting short. Gotta go. See you later. Bye.
Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.